Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys like this video today. It's going to be a little different. I had this weird little feeling yesterday and being like, I kind of want to change up my look. And 2 years ago, I used to have a mohawk, and I will post a picture here. And I also had purple, blue, green, kind of jewel tone color hair because, you know, jewel tones are it's my faves. I miss having that. I know I'm 30 and I know you're supposed to be like more mature or whatever, but I kind of don't care about that. So yesterday I went and purchased a bleaching kit, and we are going to bleach my hair, and we are also going to dye today. So that is what today's video is. You're going to see me transform this mop of a thing. I went to my local Sally beauty supply store and I went and picked up what I usually used. So what I like to use as far as a bleaching style, and to make it easier for myself and not having to think about developer and how much I need to add for bleach and making sure I'm not over processing my hair, I actually picked up the Manic Panic Flash Lightning, and this is their bleaching kit. This bleaching kit came, I think, retail about $10.50, and you get a lot with this kit. With the kit, it comes with complete instructions, and the instructions are also on the back of the box. With inside of the package, you get a full instructions. You get the cream developer, which is $30. It comes with a brush, a pair of gloves, a, what do you call this, a plastic cap to put on your head once it's processing, the actual bleach, and a container to put the bleach powder in. That is a lot of stuff to receive, in my opinion, for only $10. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this puppy started. Next you want to do is put on the gloves. I'm literally just going off the box. I'm not doing my own little version of doing instructions, because to me, even though hair is the only thing that grows back on your body and I don't have any, I still want to make sure that I'm following directions and not going to mess up my scalp, because that would not be good. Now we have the gloves on. We are now going to put the bleach in the container. So I got my pair of scissors, and I'm going to cut that, and we're going to pour the powder in. Don't inhale it. Then it says what you need to do is apply the contents of the developer into the powder, mix very well, and then apply it to the head. And it is a nice like goopy white color for developer. Now we're just going to use the brush and we're going to mix it together. Okay, so once it's done, it's like this. It's like a nice thicky-ish consistency. So we're just now going to go ahead and apply. And you also want to make sure that your head is clean. And this is super cold. Okay guys, so with the bleach, I'm basically just placing the bleach and laying it the way that my hair lays on my scalp. Because I am bald, I can see how my hair actually lays down, and so I'm just applying it to the way that it's laying down, and then you'll see where I actually move the bleach around the cuticles to make sure that I actually get it every single follicle when I bleach my hair. Alright guys, so as of right now, I think it's been about like 10-15 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, not sure. Within that time frame, I went ahead and fed Oliver his lunch, and now that he's fed and he's chilling right now, I also in that time frame cleaned off the gloves, I cleaned the brush, and also the container that it came in, that it came with the box. The reason being is because when I do the hair dye, I have a container that I bought a long time ago at Sally's, but for this purpose, and I don't have a lot of hair like I used to, I'm just going to use the same container and also the same brush and gloves, because it just seems kind of silly to not just reuse it if you can. So I did wash it with soap and water just to ensure that I got the bleach completely out of the container, as well as the brush, because that's not going to be good to have that still remaining in there when you go ahead and dye the hair. So I'm gonna go ahead now and just take off the cap. And as you can see, it is a nice like white yellow, which is kind of what I want. I am gonna wait just a little bit more because I do see that it's like that dirty yellow and I want that like white yellow. Yeah, I'm gonna wash it and then I'm gonna come back and then we're going to go into the hair dye. So are you excited? Alright guys, so this is the hair now that we went ahead and washed out the bleach, and I did per the instructions on the box. I went ahead and just washed my hair once. I kind of wished I waited a few more minutes because it just looks like a dirty ass orange out top, and then on the sides it's like that real blonde shade, but that's okay. I really should have waited a little bit longer, but you know, it's not like I'm really gonna grow my hair out, so it's not like I can't do this again. Let's go ahead and get into the dye. So the company that we are going to go with is with Argan Oil, and this is their Perfect Intensity Vibrant Color Semi-Permanent, and this is in the shade Electric Eel. So this is the container. I was going to go with this shade here, which is an emerald green. That's the original color that I was going to go with. At the bottom, you can tell there's like a little spike at it. You just poke the hole to the bottom of the thing and you can hear it. And we're just going to dump it in that same container. And this only costs like $5. And as you can see, like it's a nice dark teal. Now I'm going to go ahead and just apply the dye to my hair. I used to be so scared of color, and then once my dad passed away and he kind of just told me to stop being so scared of color, to embrace it, that if that's what I like to wear and do and all kinds of stuff, then do it. And ever since then I just been an avid lover of like embracing bright colors and being funky with my stuff and being not the norm. And I love color. Okay guys, so yeah, this is the hair color. It's the electric teal. And I didn't actually have to use any more. I pretty much used the remaining portions. Yeah, so I'm excited. So per the box, it says this is going to last at least 6 to 8 washes. You can leave it in for 30 minutes. So I guess I'm going to be leaving this in for 30 minutes at least. Right now it is 1:30. You like that picture? It's my little boy. It's Isaiah. So yeah, I really like the color. Now that what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this dye off. I'm also going to buzz my hair, get a good lineup on my skin. This looks all nice. And then also get this off. So just let you guys know, if you ever needed a way to get dye off your hands, you can do rubbing alcohol, which I'm probably going to be using today, with a cotton ball and just rub that on your hands or the affected area. You can also do baking soda mixed with dishwasher and then use that, scrub that, and it should come off too. So little home remedies that you can use to get dye off. So I'm gonna take care of this, clean this up, and then we're gonna wrap up this video. So I want to apologize, guys. I thought I did a final clip to show you the final look, but I didn't. So I apologize for that, but this is the final look. Let me know your guys' thoughts on the comments down below. And if, again, this is your first time visiting, thank you so much for coming by. If you are my returning fam, thank you for coming by and seeing me dye my hair and bleach it. And if you haven't already, don't forget to place that notification bell so that when I do another video, you are notified. Thanks so much for watching, guys. You guys are amazing. I love you and have a blessed day. Bye.